Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel today. Do not forget this is your nutritionist, Fortunate you. And in today's video we are going to talk about diabetes. It is a chronic disease, and so many people have been facing this challenge of what breakfast option is best for diabetic patients. Then search no more, because in our video today we are going to cover 7-day breakfast options for diabetic patients. Stay tuned. It is believed that a diabetic patient should not eat most of the food that a healthy individual can eat, but it is not ideal, as a diabetic patient can actually take every food that a healthy person can take, provided are natural unprocessed foods. It can only be modified to suit the individual dietary requirements, but then restricting them from taking some of these foods is not the best option, as it can make them feel isolated, and at some point you see them being depressed. I have seen diabetic patients dying of frustration, hunger, and even depression as a result of the monotony of their meals. And that is why we've come this month to combat this by providing these healthy breakfast options for these individuals to make them feel loved. I wish I knew what I know now. Yeah, my own grandmother died of diabetes, and I can always recall the pain in her eyes whenever you bring up the idea of she taking a particular food over and over again, only in different forms. And then whenever you give her this food that you are eating, like if she finds an opportunity to consume any particular food with us, you see her joyful, because food is to be enjoyed and not to be endured. Diabetes is a chronic condition whereby the body is unable to produce enough insulin, or the inability of the body to effectively use the insulin produced by it. And what is this insulin? Insulin is a hormone that helps to regulate the movement of sugar in the bloodstream. Diabetes is diagnosed with a fasting blood glucose level of 126 mg per dl or 7.0 millimole per liter and above in multiple tests. Diet is very much important in diabetes management, as it helps to improve the sensitivity of the insulin in the body, improving blood glucose level, and reducing the complications associated with diabetes. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and as a diabetic patient you are advised not to skip your breakfast. And food number 1 says unripe plantain porridge with vegetable and protein of choice such as fish, meat, and egg, or any other plant-based source of protein. This combination has low glycemic index that will prevent sudden spike in blood glucose, and they are high in fiber, resistant starch, and also complex carbohydrates, which helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and prevent postprandial glucose level increase. They are rich in antioxidants that helps to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, low in calories, moderate protein for muscle mass preservation and cardiovascular health. It says oatmeal with your skimmed milk and a protein of choice. So run it down. And do not forget to always keep your fruits or vegetables handy. And then maybe in our next video, we are going to talk about portion sizes for all the food, fruits, and vegetables for a diabetic patient. Oatmeal contains magnesium for insulin sensitivity and blood pressure regulation. They are also rich in manganese, which is ideal for the digestion of carbohydrates. They also have antioxidant functions as well as wound healing properties. They contain other micronutrients such as copper, zinc, and other vitamins and minerals. For that, food number 3 says moi moi, that is steamed bean pudding with your pap. And do not forget to always keep your vegetables handy. They are rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, which helps to lower the blood glucose level. So are you seeing that you have so many options? Diversify your diet, because they say the variety is the spice of life. This one is whole grain bread with eggs too. They are also rich source of protein, carbohydrate, and this is the healthy carbohydrate for diabetic patients, as well as other antioxidants that can be found in these eggs. Egg is also high in omega-3 fatty acid, and they are also needed for effective management of diabetes. Or you can still take another alternative, which is beans and stew. And in this stew, there should be enough vegetable. Ensure that you diversify this vegetable. So we talk about whole grain bread with your herbal tea and skimmed milk, and do not take any other sugar. And if there be need for it, you meet with your healthcare professional who will not tell you the ideal one for you. Contain low fat and low caffeine. That is why we advise that you go for this tea. They are rich in vitamins and minerals as well. That will help improve insulin sensitivity and support weight management in diabetes, preventing all these complications that are always associated with diabetes. So the seventh food in our list today says water yam porridge with vegetables and then any protein of choice. And do not forget to always apply portion control, engage in regular physical exercise, and also stay hydrated to help decrease the risk of all these complications such as nerve damage and the rest of it that are associated with diabetes. Maybe in our next video we shall come up with the best snacking options for diabetic patients. Those people that are normal individuals that can live their life in a normal level, they can eat virtually all healthy, natural, unprocessed foods, and they can still be alive and healthy and even happy for us. Because if my grandmother has known this, if I had gone through this, I would have helped her enjoy her stay wild and healthy. Do not forget to always visit our website for healthy diet tips. Follow us on Facebook at UC Healthy Diets and even on Instagram at UC Healthy Diet. And do not forget that health is wealth. Make the decision to remain alive today by making the right dietary decision. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Till then, we love you.